Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make an editable Google Sheets file for everyone. So here I've already on the Google Sheets app, and I'm going to just click on the plus icon and create a new spreadsheet. And I want to make this file editable for everyone. So what you need to do the same is just click on the people and plus icon at the top after you creating the file, and in here you click on the manage access, click on here and change it from restricted, click on change, click on this, and then click on anyone with the link like that. And then here you can click on the viewer, so change their role from viewer into editor like that, and back, just click on back and back again. So now this file is public, so everyone can edit this file. So that's basically how you can you can make an editable Google Sheets file for everyone. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you got any questions, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if you think this video is helpful, please don't forget to like, click on thanks, and also subscribe. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye.